In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board on Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, projects, or any kind of workflow, and creating a new board is the first step in getting your projects organized. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to Trello's website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you should be directed to your main dashboard, where you can see all your existing boards. From here, look for the Boards option. This is where all of your Trello boards are housed, making it easy for you to manage and organize your different projects. Now, to create a new board, locate and click on the option that says Create New Board. This button is usually prominently displayed on your dashboard, and clicking it will kick off the process of setting up a new workspace for your tasks. After clicking, you'll be prompted to name your board. This is a crucial step because the name should clearly reflect the purpose of the board, making it easy for you and your team to identify it later on. Consider using a concise yet descriptive title that encapsulates the main focus or project for the board. For instance, if you're managing a marketing campaign, you might name it Q1 Marketing Campaign. Once you've settled on a name, it's time to click on the Create button. This finalizes the setup of your new board. After clicking Create, Trello will take you to your newly created board, which will be a blank canvas ready for you to start adding lists and cards. This is where you can really start to customize and organize your workflow to suit your needs. As a tip, you might want to think about how you'll structure your board even before you begin adding tasks. Many users find it helpful to start with a few standard lists, such as to do, in progress, and completed, which can help in visually tracking the progress of your tasks. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new board on Trello. From here, you can start adding members, creating lists, adding cards, and assigning tasks to streamline your workflow and keep your team on track. Trello's flexibility and intuitive design make it an excellent tool for project management. And now, you're all set to make the most of it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.